Hi there, I'm talking about the little videos we make. Henry and Song, and she carries all these changes I make around. And hey, Carolyn comes and tells me when I'm doing it right and wrong, and it's a nice foursome. And I'm the one who stands here. Notice the sun in my face? Not allowed. Must not have the sun in my face or on my face. And everything you've seen on these videos is in our garden. Luckily it's a big garden. And here we are looking for shade in Australia. The sunshine. Oh, we mustn't have aeroplanes. Here an aeroplane going over, and we go that way over there, and the dog will bark, and we go to that place, the budgericars, and people don't like the budgericars. What's all that silly noise in the background? I don't like to hear birds. Well, quite honestly, I love to hear birds. So this is what I have to go through. It's just so you can hear some words of wisdom. And you know what? I'm happy to do that, because we're one consciousness. And if you grow through what I do and what we do as a team, then that's all worth it. But I want you to realize that walking around in our garden looking for shade, every time we do those little 30-second videos, move over a bit to your left, a bit to your right, come forward a bit, back to your left, back a little bit more. No, sorry, forward a bit. And that's the way it goes. We're doing this all the time. And is it fun? Yes, it is fun, because we make it fun. But I just want you to know, when you're looking at that, they didn't just happen. There was a lot of thought and moving around, wardrobe carrying all my clothes, Carolyn grinning at me and pulling a big face if I don't smile enough, and which is, she considers is often. And then there's Henry lurking. Come round here, Henry. There's Henry lurking in the background. He's behind the camera. Come forward, Carolyn.
No.
Yes, come on,
No.
come forward, Carolyn. Yes, come forward.
Oh.
See, she's the ex-model. She's got to look good. She's got to look good. And finally, yes, come along,
Little P.
come along, little P right in the front. And so here we are, all of us. This is the team that brings you the videos. They don't just happen. And thank you for watching this, and I hope you get a laugh. We love you.
Thank you for watching.